Dr. Deuk Majan. My patient here is from Virginia, just outside of Richmond. You came here for the Deuk laser disc repair for your back pain. How long have you had your back pain?
Altogether about 8 years.
8 years. Do you still have that same pain today?
No, not since yesterday.
Because we did surgery yesterday.
Yes.
Yeah. So your back pain is gone.
Yes.
How do you feel about that?
Feel pretty good. I'm tired of being hurt.
You're pretty close to your back pain. 8 years you've been living with it, and now it's gone.
Yep. They tried a bunch of stuff and shots and everything, and they'd work for a month or something, and then it didn't work.
Pain was back.
Yeah.
Now, do we have you on pain medication since your surgery yesterday?
No, they gave me a prescription, but I haven't even got it filled. So.
Yeah, we gave you a muscle relaxer
Muscle
called
relaxer.
Robaxin. So we don't use pain medications after the surgery, just Tylenol. But you've taken no pain meds,
Yep.
and you had surgery yesterday,
Yep.
and your back pain's gone. You happy?
Yeah, ready to go out dancing.
Yes, you are. At least golfing.
Yeah, golfing for sure.
Now, you were about to have a fusion done for your back. You were recommended for a spinal fusion.
Yes, and a week before that, they found a blockage, and I ended up having a quad bypass instead. And recovering from that was when I found out about your place, contacted you, and we went back and forth, and here I am.
So something that a lot of people need to understand about spine surgery is invasive surgery like fusion or laminectomy can cause complications with your heart, which you almost had. The Deuk laser disc repair, we don't have those type of complications because we're not losing any blood during the surgery, and we don't have you under general anesthesia. We do it under sedation. Are you happy?
That was surprising. I thought they would put me with the mask and all, but I don't need it. I don't need it.
You happy with your experience at Deuk Spine?
So far, everybody here has been fantastic.
Is there anything else you want to say to your fans out there on YouTube?
If you have back problems, call this guy. He'll make you feel better. Guarantee it.
Thank you, sir. Safe travels home.
Thank you.
All right, you did great. Thanks for sharing your experience with us.